Hiya and welcome to my craft space. Today I have the very first subscription box from Archer and Olive to unbox. This is the box itself. It's quite large. You can see the sides of it there. It weighs almost 4 pounds. So there's quite a lot inside it. This is the quarterly sub box, so every quarter from 1st of December you can receive another exciting box of mystery goodies. So let's have a look inside. I'll just take everything out of the box and then we can have a look at it all. You can see the box is really quite full. And it has some paper shredding in there just to keep everything safe. Wow, there's heaps. And you can see from this that the box is more or less completely full, so really a whole lot of goodies to look at. This holographic pouch was on the top of the box, and you can see here it attaches to an A5 journal. That'll be with this elastic here. It has gorgeous mermaid scales on it, and you can see the holographic there pretty clearly. Beautiful sort of rainbow zip, and then if we open it you can see very purple inside, and that's nylon. And then here's the main compartment, also the same purple, and then there's elastic on the back to hold it onto your A5 journal, and just the little Archer and Olive ampersand just on the side there. So mermaids, it looks like. There's also an A5 notebook cover. This looks completely new for Archer and Olive. It has a liquid in here. It's like jelly almost. There's a liquid with glitter. It reminds me a little bit of like jelly shoes and things like that. So there's a clasp here. And the liquid and glitters just on the front. The back's completely clear, and you can see that's where you slide your A5 journal into here and here. That's something a little bit whimsical. The next thing is washi. Gorgeous, gorgeous looking washi. It's a set of 4. Nice big rolls, look like sort of the standard 10-meter rolls. Totally gorgeous. Oh my goodness, the foil is holographic on all of them. You've got mermaid scales matching the pencil pouch. There's a beautiful sky with the moon and stars. This gorgeous floral. So that's white with the holographic plants on it. And then this super pretty one here with the rainbows and crystals and plants and all sorts on a moon, stars. Really stunning. That's a gorgeous set of washi. Totally loving that. And there's still more. We've got 2 different journals and a box of Acrylograph paint pens. So these are water-based acrylic pens. They're 0.7mm tip. I love the box. It's sort of fun undoing these. And you can see there the colours of the pens. These pens need activated before you use them, so I won't look at the colours right now, but They are gorgeous. This one looks like a metallic silver, which is an exclusive. There haven't been metallic silvers before. I understand all the colours actually are exclusive to the box. They aren't in any of the other sets. So you can see there's a blue, a teal, and then 2 different shades of purple. It's those there. And there's the tip. You can see it's a 0.7mm tip. There's no paint on there yet because we need to shake them and push them down and activate the ink. There are 2 journals and matching boxes which are exclusive to the subscription box. The box is just gorgeous with this holographic stars on it and these splashes of colour. So you can see both boxes are the same. This one has a B6 notebook in it. Oh, gorgeous. It's a fabric cover. And you can see here it's a blackout book with 112 dot grid pages, and the page, as per usual, is 160 GSM paper, which is nice and thick for all sorts. Lovely. Look at that. The gorgeous rainbow edging on the pages. So that's completely plain. There's no design on the front there at all. And you can see the front, we've got this book belongs to. And then inside, it's just a very, very faint dot grid, which hopefully the camera's picking up there. And you can see it's like that all the way through. And at the back, there's the little pocket. You can put things in there. It's gorgeous. I love it. Okay. I haven't used a blackout journal before, so I'm really looking forward to this. I'll just check it is B6. This is my B6 print prescient, so I'll just do a quick comparison. It looks a little bit smaller. You can see here, I'm not sure if that's because the print prescient is a bit bigger than a B6 or if this journal is a little bit smaller than a B6. I'm not entirely sure. Also, I forgot to mention there's an elastic loop there for a pen. And then also you've got 2 bookmarks. 2 ribbon bookmarks, and on one of them you've got the Archer and Olive ampersand. It's nice quality. Loving that. I've got a little bit distracted with this. I have this Planners Anonymous cover here, and I'm just wondering if I'd be able to use my B6 in here and use this cover as an art journal cover. I think I'll be able to. So I'll have my gorgeous rainbow on the outside, and then we can open to this. And there's obviously a lot of room in there for some other journals maybe that aren't blackout. But getting back to the sub box, there's the B6 blackout journal, and we've got an A5 size journal here. The boxes are just gorgeous quality. Beautiful. 160 dot grid pages, so slightly thicker, well actually quite a lot thicker. So the blackout book was 112 pages, this one's 160. You can see the difference in the width of them there, the thickness of them. But it's also got those gorgeous rainbow holographic edges. It's a nice finish on it, sort of a faux leather maybe. It's white, which might be why we've also received the cover to put on it to protect it, but it's a really gorgeous feeling. It's a really nice feeling actually. And that white is just beautiful. And then look, there's a little fairy sitting on the moon there. Stunning. So the same layout this book belongs to. And then the dot grid, and all the pages dot grid. And then we've got the pocket on the inside there, the expanding pocket, like with all of them. And the pen loop, and there'll be 2 ribbon bookmarks here also. You can see them there, the white ribbon, and one of them has the Archer and Olive ampersand on it there. Pages are nice and smooth. So 160 GSM, which is amazing. The 2 new journals, I love it. 5 acrylographs, the 4 washi, the journal cover, the pencil pouch, and there's also this, how to create your own dream board. So this is using some of the supplies we've received, the washi and the pens, etc. So it's a little bit of a tutorial and maybe how to use one of the journals, with some little bits there you could cut out and use. Although it's glossy paper, not that that's necessarily a problem. So it's nice to have a little bit of inspiration for something. Also, as part of the sub box, you receive 3 months to the Archer and Olive Club, which is an online club where there's some extra tutorials and freebie printouts and various things like that. So this is the first quarterly subscription box from Archer and Olive. This one was posted 1st of December. The next one will be posted 1st of March. So keep an eye out on social media networks if you're interested in subbing to the next box. A subscription box is $70 US, and that's for the quarter. So you only need to pay every 3 months, and every 3 months you'll receive a new box of goodies, and hopefully more of these acrylograph pens in different colours. I'm looking forward to activating these and seeing how they are in the blackout journal, and obviously just on the white pages too. I'm thinking this is fantastic value for money. I'm loving the theme. I love absolutely every single thing that came with the box. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll pop a link in the description below if you'd like to purchase from Archer and Olive. Thanks so much for watching, and maybe I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! I'd really like to see what these acrylograph pens look like now. So I've never actually used acrylograph pens, I've just seen them, and I'm really looking forward to using them because a lot of people are very excited about these pens. So to activate them, you shake them, and what you're trying to do is just get the paint in the pen to come down into the nib. So it needs a really good shake. I think that's a really good shake. And then you just push the nib down. Push the nib down and the paint should start coming down the nib. Oh, here we go. You can see, see how the nib's starting to change colour there? And now you can see the nib there, it's getting darker. And here we can see paint coming down. Hopefully you can see that there. Wow, this is so silver. And just to show you up a bit closer, here are the 5 acrylograph colours in the sub box. These are nice to write with. They're very opaque, as you can see here on the blackout journal, and they really are like flowing paint. So it's like painting, the wonderful opaqueness, but without the mess, I guess. Loving them. Fantastic.